Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Orchestra to create really meaningful data products. In this example, we're going to take a look at a couple of data pipelines. This data pipeline is loading data to Snowflake. It's super simple, and you can imagine that this is kind of run en masse by a data engineering team. This second data pipeline runs data quality tests and runs transformations using dbt. We can see that the pipeline, the trigger, is another pipeline, so the one that we referenced earlier. And we can imagine a world where this pipeline is run by a completely separate team. What you can do in Orchestra is you can group these together. So I'm going to go ahead and create a data product. We can call this data for AI use cases. Go ahead and give it a color. And then we can add these in together. We can see that we've now managed to group these two pipelines together. And this is kind of arbitrary, but it's also pretty powerful. The reason it's powerful is that when we come to actually look at what's going on, we get to aggregate this powerful data. So stuff like the credits, the number of rows affected, the runtime, and you also get to kind of see everything all in one place. So yeah, that's kind of how you can build data products in Orchestra. And over time, we're going to make this screen a lot more powerful so you can kind of see some of these really interesting metrics over time. But yeah, this is what we have for now.